Hello everyone, this is Travis from Travis Gets Creative, and I am here to give you an unboxing video. So without further ado, here we go. This is the first diamond painting kit I got. I picked this one up from Amazon for $8.98, and it's by Namoer, I believe is how you pronounce it. I'll spell it for you in case you need to search for it, but of course the links will be in the description down below. It's spelled Naimoer. Let's get this open. It's secured very well, so I'm just gonna tear it a little bit. A little better. So here, I think you can see that in Naimoer. Before we get this open, get the drills out. So you get a basic kit with the wax and the squishy, and then 2 pins and a boat for your drills, and there are some baggies included in the back. And here are the drills. Got some blues, some gray, some kind of mauve, little kind of a dark purple, and a few whites. As I open this up here, you'll be able to get a good look at it. Isn't it adorable? Its official title is Christmas Snowman Gnome, and I'm going to be working on this one for Diamond Grandma's Christmas in July. I don't know if it classifies as an event or if it's kind of a diamond paint along type event, but yeah, either way it's pretty cute. I don't see any problems with the canvas other than some ripples in the plastic, but that's not a big deal. It's very sticky, so that's nice. And of course, this is a 30 by 40 centimeter painting with 22 colors. Of course, there are no ABs in this, but if you do end up purchasing this canvas, you can always add your own if you so choose. Trying to adjust the light, but I think it's just going to have a glare. It's just the nature of it. There you go. Do a better job with the plastic here. Navigating the microphone here. There we are. I'll probably have to do it again before I start love that there's a little cardinal there, and the snowman he's a snowman gnome, so he's pretty cute. Yeah, I'm really excited to start on that one. And here is the next one. The company that makes this one is MXJ SUA, and I got this one for $6.98. It's also a 30 by 40. Might be able to guess what it is all about from that sneak peek right there. Let's see if I can get those drills out without giving it all away. Keep you in suspense a little longer. Alright, so with this company, you get a small pad of wax, a boat, and a pin. No squishy and no baggies, but that's okay. Set that to the side. Here are the drills with this. Probably going to give this away, but it's very much autumn colors. Okay, maybe I can adjust it this way. Sorry everyone, just trying to experiment with the lighting here. That's slightly better, not really. Alright, those are the drills. Forgive me, I'm not going to get them all out because I need to keep them all together. Let me roll this one up. Of course, you only want to roll up canvases that are poured glue if you're rolling it back the other direction. Double-sided adhesive will not cooperate with you, and in fact, you'll end up damaging your canvas, so poured glue only. There we go. Oops, sorry. Bumped the camera. So this one is called Moon Pumpkin. And as I said, it's a 30 by 40 centimeter. Dang it, Alexa. Never mind. Interrupted by Alexa. Alright, so Moon Pumpkin. This is, of course, a Halloween-themed canvas. But it's a nice little one. I think I'll enjoy it. The symbols are pretty dark. It's looking like a lot of 310s. Not that I mind though. Normally I don't like color blocking that much, but with it being Halloween themed, I think I can get through it with the multi-placer pretty quickly. And it is round, so I'm better with the multi-placer with round drills than I am with square drills, so that should help me speed along. There is that one. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell icon. Thank you. Bye.